Lecture is about dried lipids. Dried lipids contain non-sponifiable lipids. Non-sponifiable lipids are those lipids that does not contain fatty acid as constituent, and they do not contain ester bonds. The two major classification of non-sponifiable lipids are terpenes and steroids. First of all, steroids, a large number of compounds found in nature occurring in the non-sponifiable fraction of lipid, belong to the class of compound called steroids. Their parent nucleus is per-hydroxychlopentano-phenanthrene, which consists of three 6-membered ring A, B, C as shown in figure and one 5-membered ring called D. These rings are joined or fused to each other and have a total of 17 carbon atoms. In most of the natural steroid, a methyl group is present at carbon number 13 and one is usually present at carbon number 10. A subgroup of steroid is sterols, which contain one or more hydroxyl group and no carbonyl or carboxylic group. Their name end in OL. Some of the natural compounds belonging to steroids are cholesterol, ergosterol, bile acid, male and female sex hormone, and the hormone of the adrenal cortex. Cardiac glycosides and some alkaloids also have steroid components. It is the most cholesterol is the most abundant animal sterol. It was first isolated in 1784 from gallstone. It occurs in all animal tissue. It is most abundant in adrenal cortex 10%, where it acts as the precursor of steroid hormone, followed by nervous system 2%. Normal plasma level ranges from 150 to 220 mg per dl, but a level of 200 mg per dl is at present considered to be the maximum desirable. Some above the 200 mg per dl is considered as hypercholesterolemia, जिसे हम नॉर्मल लैंग्वेज में कोलेस्ट्रॉल कहते हैं, हाई कोलेस्ट्रॉल लेवल. सम 140 grams of cholesterol may be present in the adult human body. Cholesterol occurs in tissue as in animal, but only in a few higher plant. It generally crystallizes in the form of white rhombic plate. It is without taste and odor. It is insoluble in water, but is soluble in chloroform, ether, and acetone. You can say fat solvent. It is also very soluble in liquid fat and in solution of bile salt. It is precipitated by digintonoin, which is a glycoside present in the leaves and seed of digitals. It is solid at room temperature and melt at 150 degrees Celsius. Cholesterol form ester due to the presence of hydroxyl group in the molecule. Cholesterol occur in tissue free as well as bound form, as is esterified with fatty acid. Cholesterol occur in plasma membrane of tissue cell and in the plasma lipoprotein. Seven dehydrocholesterol, the sterol occur in many tissue, but that which is present in the skin has a special role. It converts into vitamin D3, which is the active form of vitamin. Cholecalciferol. When the skin is exposed to ultraviolet ray, exposure to sunlight also result in the formation of vitamin D3 in the skin, because sunlight contains some UV rays. For this reason, vitamin D3 is also called sunlight vitamin. Basically, 7-dehydrocholesterol is present in our skin. Whenever our skin exposed to sunlight, 7-dehydrocholesterol first converted to cholecalciferol, then converted into calcidiol, and then calcitriol, which we call it vitamin D3. The next one is ergosterol. It is the main sterol of fungi and yeast. Its name originates from the fact that it was first isolated from ergot, a fungus which grows on plants, especially rye plant pe. When irradiated with UV light, it is converted to ergocalciferol, which is same as vitamin D2. Vitamin D3 and D2 we will discuss in the chapter of vitamins. As you can see in the picture, ultraviolet rays, skin is exposed to ultraviolet rays, and the Component 7-dehydrocholesterol present in skin converted to cholecalciferol, which we call vitamin D3. Cholecalciferol reach to liver where it convert into 25 hydroxy vitamin D. How? One hydroxyl group is attached. Next, one hydroxyl group attached in liver, so we call 25 hydroxy vitamin D3. Next, from liver, 25 hydroxy vitamin D transferred to kidney where one more hydroxylation occur, means one more hydroxyl group is attached to dehydrocholesterol molecule. So it called 125 dihydroxy vitamin D, जिसे हम कैल्सीट्रायोल भी कहते हैं, विटामिन D3 भी कहते हैं, जिसे हम एक्टिव फॉर्म भी कहते हैं विटामिन की. डाइटरी इनटेक से एर्गोकोल्सिफ्रो विटामिन D2 आता है जो फिर लीवर से किडनी में जाके कन्वर्ट होता है एक्टिव फॉर्म में. जो हम फूड में ले रहे होते हैं वो एक्टिव फॉर्म में नहीं होता अनटिल और अनलेस जब वो जाके लीवर में उसकी हाइड्रोक्सिलेशन और किडनी में जाके उसकी सेकेंड टाइम हाइड्रोक्सिलेशन नहीं होगी. Next one is terpene. These are hydrocarbon containing carbon and hydrogen in a ratio of 10:6. Means 10 carbon and 16 hydrogen are present in terpene structure. These compounds contain multiple units of 5 carbon containing hydrocarbon named isoprene. Isoprene has the following structure as you can see in the picture. The number of isoprene units greatly vary in different terpenes. You can say it is the subunit for terpenes. Terpenes may be either linear or cyclic molecules. Some substances have both linear and cyclic terpenes in their structure. Terpenes include vitamin A, E, and K. Coenzyme Q also belong to these compounds. Dolicol is a 17 to 21 isoprene unit containing alcohol that act as a sugar carrier. During the addition of polysaccharide unit to certain protein and lipid that we call glycoprotein and glycolipids respectively, the sugar unit to be anchored one cell membrane are chemically active by attachment to dolicol. It means जब शुगर मॉलिक्यूल के साथ प्रोटीन या लिपिड अटैच करते हैं और वो ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन और ग्लाइकोलिपिड फॉर्मेशन करते हैं जो कि सेल मेम्ब्रेन में प्रेजेंट होते हैं. ठीक है, उसके स्ट्रक्चर के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट हैं ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन्स एंड ग्लाइकोलिपिड. वो एक्टिवेट होते हैं जब तक डोलिकोल उनके साथ अटैच नहीं होता. डोलिकोल अटैच होगा तो ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन एंड ग्लाइकोलिपिड जो हैं वो एक्टिव होंगे. अदर कंपाउंड रिलेटेड टू टर्पीन्स आर कैम्फोर, मेथनॉल and limonene, which are present in oils of camphor, mint and lemon respectively. The function of lipids are include, the first one is good source of energy. They are good source of energy as they provide 9 kilocalories per gram by the body. Lipid in body also act as fat soluble vitamin and nutritionally essential fatty acid called linoleic and linolenic acid. These two fatty acids are needed by body but they cannot be synthesized in the body. Lipid also make them more food palatable and serve to decrease its mass. The next one is high satiety value. The dietary lipids have high satiety value because they decrease gastric motility and secretion. Anatomical stability to organ. Body fat provide contour to the body, also give anatomical stability to organs like kidney. when क्योंकि किडनी जो है वो कवर होती है बहुत सारी फैट के अंदर, अदरवाइज इसको इंजरी जो है बहुत ईजी हो जाएगी. नेक्स्ट वन इज एनर्जी रेजर्वायर. लिपिड एक्ट एज good source of energy reservoir in the body. Adipose tissue is the best suited for this purpose due to its very little water content and high energy content. Electric insulators. Lipid act as electric insulator in the nervous tissues, allowing rapid propagation of action potential, depolarization waves और nerve impulse along myelinated nerve fiber. ये आप फिजियोलॉजी में पढ़ेंगे. Next one is part of cell membrane. Lipids are integral part of cell protoplasm and cell membrane. Glycolipid occur particularly in the outer surface of plasma membrane and contribute to the carbohydrate of cell surface. They have an important role in cell adhesion and cell regulation. Precursor of other compounds. Some lipids act as precursor of very important physiological compounds. For example, cholesterol is the precursor of steroid hormones. hormones of adrenal cortex and gonadal hormone. 7-dehydrocholesterol and ergosterol are precursor of vitamin D3 and D2 respectively. Prevent water evaporation from skin. Presence of lipid like cholesterol and other in the skin make it highly resistant to the absorption of water soluble substances and also to the action of many chemical agents. Also, these lipids help to prevent water evaporation from the skin. Without this protection, the amount of daily insensible perspiration would probably be 15 to 20 liters instead of usual 300 to 400 ml. Next one is transmission of nerve impulse. The sphingosine containing lipid have a role in transmission of nerve impulse across synapses as they form part of post-synaptic membrane receptor. These lipids are also concerned with blood group specificity as well as organ and tissue specificity. Next is physiologically important compound eicosanoids, which include prostanoids, prostaglandins, thromboxans and prostacyclin, leukotrienes and lipoxins possess very important physiological and pharmacological action in the body and very important physiological compound. They are described in next volume. Next one is intercellular messengers. In certain cases, derivatives of lipid act as intercellular messenger after they are released. For example, the plasma membrane contains phosphatidylinositol 4,5-bisphosphate. This compound is acted upon by phospholipase C, which is a hormone sensitive enzyme and is activated with certain hormones. Vasopressin, antidiuretic hormone, bind to their receptor molecule in target cell. Two derivatives are released. These are diacylglycerol and inositol 1,4,5-triphosphate. Diacylglycerol in turn activate the enzyme and protein kinase C, which bring about further enzyme activation. Inositol 1,4,5-triphosphate causes release of intracellular calcium ion, which bring about enzyme activation and other hormone responses. All these actions are carried out by lipids. The next one is role of terpenes. The role of terpenes that include fat soluble vitamin A, E and K. The terpene called dolicol help in adding sugar to protein and lipid in the cell membrane, as I described in terpene topic. The next one is platelet aggregating. The platelet activating factor is a lipid plasmalogen. It aggregates platelets and has many other functions. Next one is help in regulating pathways. Ceramide is an important second messenger regulating pathways such as the cell cycle, aging and apoptosis. Role in apoptosis. Cardiolipin also has role in apoptosis. It present in mitochondria and help the mitochondria in performing different functions.